Good morning, friends. Welcome to the daily morning podcast of SBI Securities. Let us check what happened in the US market yesterday evening. So, yesterday was a minor gain day as far as US markets are concerned, with S&P 500 up to the tune of 0.2%. Nasdaq was flat and Dow Jones was up by 0.36%. On Saturday, we saw Nifty was down to the tune of 50 points, that is 0.23%, and have settled at 21571 levels, whereas Sensex has lost 259 points and have settled at 71423 levels. Overseas investor, that is foreign institutional investor, continue to remain seller for the fourth consecutive day on Saturday, and they offloaded equity worth 546 crore, whereas domestic institutional investor turned net buyer. Net seller after 4 days and have offloaded stock worth 719 crore. In terms of market breadth, so what we have seen is that on Saturday, almost 2009 stocks were in green, whereas 1802 stocks were in red. In terms of 52-week high, we have seen 474 stocks have scaled 52-week high. Among the BSE 500 stocks which have scaled 52-week high were C8, NHPC, SAS, RVNL, IRFC, NBCC, HUDCO, GSFC, MAS Financial Services, Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, Apollo Tyres, IRCTC, SJVN, Union Bank, Sterling Wilson, Jupiter Wagon, RCF, PCBL, General Insurance, Engineers India, Coal India, Central Bank, LIC India, REC, Sham Metallic, PNB, Torrent Pharma, Vaibhav Global, Shobha, Intellect Design, Oil India, Bank of India, JSW Energy, BEL, Bharat Electronics, JM Financial, JK Cement, Birlasoft, HPCL, Persistent, Apollo Hospital, Bharti Airtel, BPCL, ONGC, IOC, Tech Mahindra, Trent, Larsen and Toubro, GAIL, Piramal Pharma, BHEL, Indian Hotel, Sun Pharma, Infosys, Lupin, Cummins India, Aarti Industries, Jyoti Lab, Bajaj Holding, Infosys. So overall, if you see, there were majority of the stocks which have scaled 52-week high on Saturday were from public sector unit, especially from railways and power sector. In addition to that, we have seen a new high in many construction and real estate related companies like NBCC and HUDCO from public sector enterprise, and at the same time many companies from a private sector which are reporting a solid set of number. There we have seen new 52-week high. So overall, the market have turned stock specific. Despite of key benchmark indices trading in certain range, we are seeing a rally which is going on in certain section of the market. But having said that, I would like to give you a word of caution. Railway sector looks to be overbought. It seems to be very significantly overbought condition as far as any railway stocks is concerned, whether it is IRFC, whether it is RVNL, whether it is IRCON, you name the stock, and all the stocks are looking very overbought. So some cool off or consolidation is expected in all the railway counter. Moving on to the key results which were declared during the last 2 days. So what we have seen is that a few of the companies have reported very solid set of number. On the top of that is Colgate Palmolive. Colgate, we have seen sales up by 8% at 1396 crore, EBITDA up by 30% at 468 crore, and profit was up by 36% year over year at 330 crore. EBITDA margins has expanded by 600 basis point to 34%, and expansion in operating margin is led by expansion in gross margin. And at the same time, we have seen double-digit volume growth as far as toothpaste segment is concerned. So we may see some positive reaction as far as Colgate is concerned. Spandana Spurti, one of the NBFC company, they have reported all-time high profit in the history of the company during the 9-month FY24. Their AUM has increased by 52% year over year. At the same time, their income was up by 75% year over year. PAT was up by 79% year over year at 129 crore. It is trading at 2.3 times 9-month FY24 price to book value. So we may see positive reaction in Spandana Spurti in medium to long term. IIFL Securities, one of the leading broking company on institution side. The company has reported a very solid set of numbers. Sales up by 63% at 582 crore. EBITDA up by 108% at 240 crore. PAT up by 132% year over year at 151 crore. The stock is trading close to 10 to 12 times price to earning multiple. The strong performance has been led by broking and investment banking division, and at the same time company is evaluating proposal to divest its real estate properties held in its subsidiary. So that's a pretty strong set of number from IIFL Securities, and what we feel is that gradually the stock is heading towards 200 plus levels as compared to the current market price of 164 level. JK Cement again reported a very solid set of results. Sales up by 20% year over year, EBITDA up by 153% year over year, PAT up by 663% year over year at 284 crore. EBITDA margin expanded at to 21.3% as compared to 10.2% in a year ago quarter. Trades at 19 times EV EBITDA multiple on FY24 EBITDA and 15.7 times EV FY25 EV EBITDA multiple. Again, we may see positive reaction as far as JK Cement is concerned. Gensol Engineering, a small company on solar side, so they have reported sales and EBITDA up by 333% and 309% year over year to 220 crore and 63 crore respectively. Profit, company has reported profit of 12 crore as against the net loss of 1.9 crore. Strong set of number. We may see a marginally positive reaction as far as Gensol Engineering is concerned. Bharat Wire Rope, a small company, again 2600 crore market cap. Company's sales, EBITDA and PAT has increased by 9%, 19% and 39% year over year respectively at rupees 157 crore, 44 crore and 26 crore. EBITDA margin has expanded by 224 basis point to 27.9%, driven by lower raw material prices and power and fuel costs. So overall, a solid set of number from Bharat Wire Rope. A marginally positive reaction can be seen in Bharat Wire Rope. A rub-off effect of this can be seen in Usha Martin. So Usha Martin is a company which we like, and the call is open in a fundamental section in the pick of the day section. Lloyd Metals, 30,000 crore market cap company, has reported solid set of number. Sales up by 91%, EBITDA up by 97%, PAT up by 44% at 332 crore. EBITDA margin has expanded on the back of higher iron ore and sponge volume. Strong set of number by Lloyd Metals. Again, a positive reaction can be seen in Lloyd Metals. Rossari Biotech reported a very solid set of number. This is the outlier number as compared to other chemical companies. Revenue, EBITDA and PAT up by 19%, 18% and 34% year over year to rupees 464 crore, 64 crore and 34 crore respectively. It is trading at 36 times trailing 12-month price to earning multiple. Again, a positive reaction can be seen in Rossari Biotech. Coforge reported a solid set of number. Revenue, EBITDA and PAT grew by 13%, 8, 10% and 4% year over year. Respectively, EBITDA margin has improved by 39 basis point quarter on quarter to 17.9%, trading at a price to earning multiple of 41 times FY24 earning. A positive reaction can be seen. Persistent reported an inline set of number, and a very strong commentary coming from Persistent post result. Again, Persistent will remain under focus today. Weak set of results have been reported by Tatva Chintan Pharma and Oberoi Realty. So both these stocks may come under pressure. A detail of all these results is available on our Telegram channel as well as in the morning update note. The same note is available on SBI Securities website. At the same time, we are sharing that note with all our dealers and advisors. So in case you are clients of SBI Securities, you can request your dealer or advisor to forward the note to you. In terms of key results today, so today again many companies will be reporting their numbers. So among them on the top of the list is just a minute, let me pull that list. Axis Bank, Pidilite Industry, REC, Havels, JSW Energy, United Spirits, Tata Elxsi, L&T Finance, Sona BLW, KEI, Hitachi, Mahanagar Gas, Infibeam, Glenmark Life Science. So many companies will be reporting this number, and again this list is being circulated on Telegram channel, and you can ask your dealer and advisor to share this list with you. In terms of based on the key corporate development, which are the stocks which will remain under focus. So first, Zee Entertainment. So during the yesterday we have seen Sony has officially terminated the deal with Zee Entertainment. So to that extent, we may see some negative reaction as far as Zee Entertainment is concerned in the opening trade. However, there is a rumor that Adani Group is likely to buy the Zee Entertainment But however, today we will see a gap down opening as far as the entertainment is concerned. Tata Motors have increased the price by 0.7% on average across its personal vehicle portfolio, including electric vehicle. The price hike has been notified from 1st of Feb. Again, a marginally positive to neutral reaction will be seen on Tata Motors based on this development. Keystone Realtor, which is the famous in the which owns the brand Rustomjee, one of the popular brand as far as real estate sector is concerned in Mumbai market. So they have announced that they are likely to redevelop 2 societies in Malad, Mumbai, with a gross development value of 1,200 crore. So that's a positive development as far as Rustomjee is concerned. SML Isuzu, they have won a small arbitration award worth 12 crore from Mumbai, Delhi, from a Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Vikas Lifecare company has acquired 60% stake in Sky 2 Club Dubai for $78 million. Moving on to the next development. So there are few management change which has happened. So in JM Financial, Atul Mehra has resigned from the post of joint managing director, and in Spencer we have seen Nilesh Bothra, the CFO, has resigned from the position. In addition to that, moving on to the IPO corner. So today is the second day as far as EPAC Durable IPO is concerned. A detailed note of the same has been uploaded on SBI Securities website. So we have recommended to not to subscribe for the issue for listing gain. What we feel is that once the company lists, we need to evaluate the first quarter numbers and then apply and then participate in this story. Nova Agritech is an IPO which is likely to open from today onwards. Again, this IPO is a small IPO agrochemical company. Again, we would like to avoid this company, and the scale of the company is very small. So no need to apply for Nova Agritech. New listing, Mediasis Healthcare will be listed today. So if I have to conclude today's discussion, again, stock specific global cues seems to be positive. GIFT Nifty is indicating that we may open gap up to the tune of 80 to 100 points. So 0.8% of positive opening is likely to be seen today. Stock specific action will be seen. ICICI Bank reported a decent set of number. So 4%, 4 to 5% gap up opening may be seen in ICICI Bank. At the same time, stock specific action, as we have discussed, based on the results, the company which have reported a solid set of results are likely to see positive reaction in the trade today. So again, a stock market is likely to be stock specific, and in terms of sector where one need to focus is the auto ants, oil and gas, infrastructure, railway, defense. So selectively we need to participate in the sector money making opportunity, and kindly keep following research calls for better decision making. Yeah, thanks for listening to the podcast. Have a good day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.